For small businesses with straightforward payroll needs, finding the right tool is all about keeping things accurate, easy, and affordable. You do not need an enterprise solution, you just need payroll that works without headaches. Wave Payroll is built as an extension of the free Wave accounting platform, which already handles invoicing, expenses, and reporting. It keeps payroll simple, transparent, and tightly integrated with your books. The setup process is quick. You enter your business info, add employees or contractors, and the system walks you through each step of setting up pay schedules, deductions, and tax details. The interface is clean and friendly, making it approachable even for owners who are not accountants. Wave Payroll handles the essentials well. It calculates wages, taxes, and deductions automatically, and it keeps everything organized so you do not have to track numbers manually. In supported states and provinces, Wave can also handle automatic tax filing and payments, which takes one more task off your plate. If you are outside those regions, the system still calculates everything for you. You just submit the filings yourself. What small business owners love about Wave Payroll is its clarity. Pricing is straightforward with no surprise fees. It also supports both full-time employees and contractors, letting you pay your entire team from one dashboard. Direct deposit is available, and payroll details sync directly into your accounting, saving time during month-end reconciliation. Now let's look at QuickBooks Payroll. This one is built by the same company behind QuickBooks Online, one of the most widely used small business accounting systems in North America. If you already use QuickBooks for your books, adding payroll is a seamless experience. It connects automatically, pulling in employee data, syncing transactions, and updating your financial reports in real time. QuickBooks Payroll offers more automation and flexibility than Wave. It automatically calculates, files, and pays federal and state taxes on your behalf, and it guarantees accuracy. You can run payroll in just a few clicks, and direct deposit is available for both employees and contractors. The system also handles benefits administration, workers' compensation, and garnishments, which makes it more suitable for teams that need extra payroll support. Another advantage of QuickBooks Payroll is scalability. As your team grows, you can add features like time tracking and HR support without switching platforms. It also integrates tightly with QuickBooks Time, so hourly staff can clock in and out and have their hours flow directly into payroll. The reporting tools are detailed, helping you see labor costs, tax liabilities, and payroll summaries in real time. If your payroll is simple and you value low costs, Wave is the way to go. But if you prefer full automation, guaranteed accuracy, and tight integration with accounting and HR tools, QuickBooks Payroll will make payroll almost effortless. Either way, both platforms give small teams an easier way to manage payroll, accurately, on time, and without the stress.